Here's another day in my life as a New York City personal chef. I start the day by getting ready and then I head downtown so I can work. Here I'm mixing up some batter for some cornbread. I mix all the wet ingredients together and then combine them with the dry to get this consistency, and this is how my cornbread turned out. Then I made some ground turkey in a taco style and some sweet potatoes. The turkey was for these Zucchini Taco Boats, so cute, and some black beans and also some avocado crema, which was so good. I did some baked barbecue chicken wings, and then I plated the taco boats for lunch and also for dinner. Super cute. And then we have the wings, cornbread, and green beans, and the twice baked sweet potatoes. Then when I got home, I had some exciting news to share with my mom. You're recording? Look.
What am I seeing? 100K followers! Congratulations! Ooh, all right, girl, you go, girl.